Hey friends, if you wish to fix quick access menu missing in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you the whole point about it. Earlier we had this PC and quick access, and now we don't have quick access after the certain update. So we have the home button instead of it. It is more or less the same thing. Basically quick access has been removed and we can do nothing about it. But here's one thing: if you click on options and select show recently files, used files, folders, and files from office.com, it will appear in a manner similar to quick access menu here, as you can see it. Okay, and the same is the option for disabling this. So there is no quick access now. You cannot use quick access, but you can use the home tab. And if you check rather, even the open file explorer to menu has the options for OneDrive, this PC, and the home tab. So this is the situation right now. There's nothing that can be changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.